It all begins deep within the earth, where raw material is uncovered.
Every load begins its journey from mine to processing.
Precision and scale define the raw extraction phase.
A steady flow of material feeds the next stage. From raw earth to refined product, the journey continues. Once extracted, the raw clay begins its long journey toward refinement. Every shipment moves in perfect coordination across industrial routes.
Infrastructure connects mine to factory in a seamless supply chain.
The raw material nears the heart of transformation. Strict control ensures only verified material enters the facility. Each load is carefully verified before entering production. At the edge of production stands the facility that transforms raw clay into usable product. Every vehicle is cleared through strict industrial security protocols. Precise measurement ensures complete material accountability.
The raw clay now enters the controlled unloading zone.
Heavy-duty systems prepare to release tons of raw material. The transformation begins as raw earth enters the processing system. The raw clay is immediately transferred into the first cleaning line.
The separation rate looks good, but the moisture content is still a little high.
Yes, we might need to adjust the drying time on the next run.
Even the smallest metal contaminants are extracted instantly. Moisture control prepares the material for deep cleaning. The washing drum ensures deep purification of every particle. Now purified, the clay is ready for moisture reduction. The purified clay now enters the core size reduction stage. High-pressure rollers break down dense clay into uniform particles. Only uniform granules move forward in the production line. Precise mixing ensures perfect absorption performance later. The material now moves toward controlled dehydration. Inside the tunnel, moisture is carefully removed for final texture formation. Inside the controlled heat chamber, moisture is precisely eliminated. The clay begins transforming into structured litter granules. Rapid cooling stabilizes the granule structure for durability.
Each batch is tested for absorption efficiency in real time.
Only perfectly sized granules qualify for final refinement. A final polishing step ensures smooth, dust-free performance.
Automation now takes control, guiding every granule with precision.
AI-driven systems ensure only perfect material moves ahead. Robotic precision maintains perfect consistency across the line. A protective layer is applied for cleaner and safer usage.
I keep bringing you useful AI-based videos. One like and subscribe. What really supports me? Watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
Every batch is recalibrated for optimal performance balance. The refined product is temporarily stored for final processing.
Stored material is now released in perfectly controlled batches. Even microscopic dust is removed for a clean final product. A final polish ensures uniform texture and premium quality. Advanced treatment enhances hygiene and odor control. Thermal control locks in the final structural integrity.
Before approval, every batch enters strict quality inspection.
Absorption performance is measured with scientific precision.
Even microscopic dust levels must meet strict safety standards.
Odor control efficiency determines final product quality.
Durability testing ensures long-lasting performance in real use.
Once approved, the product is cleared for final packaging. The refined product is now packaged with precision and speed. Each bag is securely sealed to preserve freshness and quality.
Every package is verified for perfect weight consistency.
Automation ensures perfect stacking for safe transportation.
Finished products are stored and prepared for global distribution. And this is how modern factories produce cat litter from start to finish.